Your Lordship, this is my application. Your Lordship, at the outset, I want to state that Your Lordship said my grievance is only against the police authorities. They are the only respondents. Your Lordship, other persons are trying to, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, the matter was released by the erstwhile bench because
Come this side.
Your
Yes.
Lordship, Your Lordship, lot of other people started coming and saying that they started making submission.
Give the file.
Yes, Your Lordship, may I in short state the facts first, Your
Yes.
Lordship? Your Lordship, the petitioner has inherited 1/5 share in a property from her father, Your Lordship. She filed a partition suit in 2006. Injunction order was passed. In spite of the injunction, Your Lordship, parties were dealing with the property. So court passed an order, Your Lordship, relevant at page 64, Your Lordship will find, directing the police authorities to see that the order of injunction is not violated and the nature and character is maintained. This is the civil aspect, Your Lordship. Thereafter, Your Lordship, some of the parties, Your Lordship, they were defaulters under the income tax laws. So, Your Lordship,
just 1 minute.
Your Lordship,
Who is appearing for this state? You for this state.
they are the only respondents, Your
Only respondents. Who are you?
Your Lordship.
1 minute. Who are you?
In the next matter, I am the writ petitioner, my lord. I am also supporting the self-save
Very
order
well.
of injunction.
I get it. Now,
Your Lordship, I am supporting
He is
my
not
brother.
a party, Your Lordship.
I'm supporting her. And
I don't want his support, Your Lordship.
I'm supporting her as what is called defendant 17 in the TS 106 that is in Howrah. She is my cousin sister. And here in the second.
no, we are not in the second one. We are in the first writ petition.
After that, I am the.
You may support, but your support will be from outside. The court is not considering your support. All right. It is only the state. Are you also there?
I am also there, my lord. I am the one against whom, my lord, every other grievance is being, my lord, agitated.
He is not
All
a
right.
party, Your Lordship.
I am not being made
All right. I will see to it because you are not a party over here. You are not a party. Very well. State has got a report. All your report is here. Now,
Two civil suits pending, both in Howrah, one of 2006, one of 2020. On multiple proceedings committed filed that can expire right thereafter 4 criminal cases. Interstate all filed and in all of them, barring one, charge sheet has been.
So, Your Lordship, from the submission of the state also,
tell me one thing.
Your Lordship.
What you want in this writ
Your Lordship,
petition?
Your Lordship, straight away, Your Lordship, page 65 of my writ petition, there's a photograph, Your Lordship, showing that there's a JCB which has entered the property.
Yes.
And Your Lordship, I am filing this supplementary. This has happened after the filing of the writ petition. I have served the state. Your Lordship, state has a copy. Page 31 and 131 and 133, Your Lordship would kindly
Your
have a look.
supplementary is equally voluminous as your writ petition.
Your Lordship, because pending the writ petition, Your Lordship, they have put a tin to block the ingress, which will be visible from page 131 of the supplementary. Your Lordship, state has it.
What is your prayer in
My
the
prayer
writ?
is, Your Lordship, twofold. Your Lordship would kindly take page 131 of the supplementary. Your Lordship, it will become very clear.
Yes.
And Your Lordship, see this with 133. There's a tin slab which has been put. And page 133, Your Lordship, it is not there. So, Your Lordship,
133, I see the
same gate is there, but that tin
tin is not
tin
there.
is not there. So, Your Lordship, this was the civil part, Your Lordship. There's an injunction order. There's a direction upon the police authorities to see that injunction is not violated. Apart from that, Your Lordship, pending the suit, they have, and the property has also been attached by the income tax authorities. They have mortgaged it to Axis Bank. Charge sheet has been filed. So, Your Lordship, this matter is not restricted to, Your Lordship, I've got a copy of the
What
charge.
is your prayer in
Prayer
the
is,
writ?
Your Lordship, the police should ensure that the nature and character of the property is not changed. And Your Lordship, this tin sheet may be removed, Your Lordship. It's a joint property, Your Lordship.
Tell me something very elementary.
Your Lordship.
How does the police get to know what is there, what is to be maintained?
Your Lordship, that's why page
You
1.
are there before the civil court. Why can you not obtain orders from there?
Your Lordship, I have already filed an application under 227 because progress in
That
suit
is
not
different.
happening.
If
Your
you
Lordship, I'm
have
taking all
filed, you
steps
can
over there.
proceed. But then, how much relief can a writ court grant in this
Your
type
Lordship,
of
why I'm
dispute?
saying Your Lordship, these people are, this is not a simpliciter, Your Lordship, civil cause of action. Your Lordship would kindly see, this is a charge sheet. Your Lordship, they are habitual offenders. They have no regard for law. Your
Yes.
Lordship, they have forged
No,
documents.
don't show all these things before the competent court where this matter is pending.
Your Lordship, that criminal case is pending. In spite of that, Your Lordship, I am showing from photographs that they are changing the nature and character.
It has to be done by the court. Please come by
Your
the
Lordship, some vigil,
civil-
Your Lordship, because
No, sorry.
Lordship,
the
Your Lordship, kindly, Your Lordship,
the
kindly
petitioner-
consider the police report. The police is also saying that there are 4 cases pending against them.
yes.
Some protection, Your Lordship.
What
The police,
type of protection?
Your Lordship, police should ensure that no construction should be allowed. Pending these proceedings and charge sheet.
The premises.
Your Lordship, kindly consider the police report, Your Lordship. They are saying there are 4 charge sheets.
Orders passed in the writ petition filed by my client. Where they have
I
Your
am not
Lordship-
recognizing your presence. The petitioner prays for a direction upon the police to ensure that no unauthorized construction takes place at the subject premises.
And Your Lordship,
Stop.
my ingress, egress is also, they are attempting to block
The
it.
petitioner is apprehensive that the ingress and egress, that free ingress and egress of the petitioner may be infringed by parties, by private persons who have not been pleaded as parties in the instant writ petition. Paragraph. It has been brought to the notice of the court that there are several civil as well as criminal proceeding pending between the petitioner and other persons. Stop. Paragraph. Upon hearing the submission made on behalf of the petitioner and on perusal of the documents placed before this court, I am of the opinion that the relief sought for by the petitioner cannot be allowed by the writ court. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to approach the competent civil and the criminal court for appropriate remedy. Stop. The instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the police to ensure that there is no breach of peace in the locale by any of the persons disposed. First one, report filed by the, was it filed on the last day? Filed by the, it was, acha, report filed by the Inspector of Police and IC Lilwa PS, HPC, dated 28th of November 2024, be written with the records.
Your Lordship,
Supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner be also written with the records.
Your Lordship, are we entitled to a copy of the report, Your Lordship?
Give a report to her.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
12 এ দুটো মামলা আছে 1034 টা হলো
The premises concerned is not the premises which is under the control of but my client.
call 1616412 13
I have
maybe how does it matter